Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you that how you can use Leonardo.ai in your mobile device. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and here type in Leonardo.ai. On the top right corner, you will see three lines. Click on these and then click on Launch App button. Once you have launched the app, it will ask you to register yourself to Leonardo.ai. But I already have registered myself, that's why it's not asking me to do that. Now you can click on these three lines again and in the bottom you will see AI image generation. Click on this and it will take you to image generation tool. Now you can simply type in your prompt here and then click the generate button to generate your image. And as you can see, the image is being generated on your mobile device. And that's how you can use Leonardo.ai to generate images on your mobile phone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.